the given datas are 10, 15, 19, 21, and 25. Or step 1, we need to create a table. So x minus x bar. At dito na anak yung absolute value ng x minus x bar. Okay, first, write the given data. We have 10, 15, 19, 21, and 25. Then after that, so kapag nakapag-create na tayo ng table, na ilagay na natin yung value ng x, our next step is to get the x bar or what we call the mean. Bakit? Kasi wala pa tayong ima-minus dito, anak. Kailangan natin si mean. How to get the mean? Just get the average. We have 10 plus 15 plus 19 plus 21 plus 25. Divided by saan to? Ilan? Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, get the sum na to. 19 plus 21, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 25, 75 plus 15, 90. Divided by 5. O, 90 divided by 5. Okay, 18. Therefore, our mean is 18. Pwede na natin i-minus dito. So, this will become 10 minus 18. What is the answer? Negative 8. O, pwede mo na kunin yung absolute value. Positive 8. Very good. Next, 15 minus 18. Negative 3. Absolute value, positive 3. 19 minus 18. Positive 1. Positive 1 pa rin. Then 21 minus 18. 3. Positive 3. 25 minus 18. Positive 7. And then this is positive 7. Then after that, o numerator na tayo. Summation na. Sum. Get the sum of the absolute value. So the absolute value, x minus x bar. 8 plus 3. 11 plus 1. 12 plus 3. 15 plus 7. Okay, 22. Then di-divide natin anak sa n. Ilan lahat ito? Okay, 5. 22 divided by 5. Okay, same pa rin anak. 4.4. Meaning, the mean deviation is 4.4.